how to turn on or off new followers notifications on your TikTok account using your PC. And okay guys, here in your computer, okay, go to browser you want to use and search the tiktok.com. Here in TikTok homepage, okay, make sure you log in your account. And on the left side of this, you can see here or find the profile. Okay, you can click this. And profile, you can see here the gear icon. Okay, you can click this. Here in settings of your TikTok account, on left side, you can see here the push notifications. Here in push notification, you can see here the interactions. And on the right side of this, you can see the arrow down button. Okay, you can click this. And you can see here the new followers. And the new followers is on. So if you want to turn off the new followers notification on your TikTok account, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this new follower. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned off. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off new follower notifications on your TikTok account using your PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.